Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how to insert a SIM card at the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus 5G. For that we will need next to the phone this SIM ejection tool, and if you open the box you will find here on top another white box, and if you open it you will find here the SIM ejection tool. So just release it. Otherwise, by the way, you can use also of course always the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you're having a phone like this, you will find now down the phone the SIM tray. And a part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there, and now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. But please take care that you use the hole which one is part of the SIM tray, because next to the SIM tray is another hole. This is a microphone. So please take care and use the hole which one is part of the SIM tray. So take now a SIM ejection tool or the paper clip and enter the hole which one is part of the SIM tray, press a bit and the SIM tray will come out. At this SIM tray, you're able to insert next to the main SIM card as well as second SIM card here at the other side of the SIM tray, if you want. By the way, what is SIM 1 and SIM 2? It's always written here. Okay, let's start now with the first SIM card. Press it well, so that's why I inserted, and this is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner at the SIM card. It belongs to the missing corner at the SIM tray, and the contacts, they are on top. Okay, and if you want, you can add now also a second SIM card. As I told you, it's optional, you know. So same thing, the contacts are here on top. And if you want to enter two SIM cards, press it now from both sides, that both SIM cards are well inserted. And this is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner at the SIM card. It belongs to the missing corner at the SIM tray. And as you know, the SIM contacts, they are on top. Okay. And if you're ready with it, you put back your SIM tray anyhow with one or two SIM cards back into the SIM slot. The first SIM card is always on top, no? To the display side. Close it well, and yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe at the next time. Ciao.